Welcome everybody to this class. This time we're going to learn about the articles, the noun genders and the plural suffixes. In the first lesson we learned how to pronounce the characters of the alphabet. That was the dull part. Now we're going to have linguistic fun. In Dutch we have two types of nouns, de nouns and het nouns. De and het are the definite articles. We have only one indefinite article, een. De nouns are the most common nouns in the Dutch language. Het nouns are less common, but still very important. De nouns. This means nouns with the article de connected to them, are masculine or feminine. In order to be sure about the gender of a de noun, you have to look it up in a dictionary. All plural nouns have de as their definite article. Het nouns, this means nouns with the article het connected to them, are always neuter and therefore pretty easy. All diminutive nouns except the plurals and verb infinitives used as a noun have het as their definite article. It's wise to learn nouns with their articles, always. Before you start worrying about the noun genders in Dutch, I can reassure you that the genders aren't very important anymore. Dutch is losing its genders, and many natives don't even know the genders of the nouns. Some natives even refer to a cow with a masculine pronoun. The gender of a noun is only important when you want to refer to it with personal pronouns, possessive adjectives, possessive pronouns, and reflexive pronouns. But now we're going back to the nouns and start to write them in plural form. You should know what open and closed syllables are. A closed syllable ends in a consonant. An open syllable ends in a vowel. Zee is an open syllable. Zeep is a closed syllable. If a noun, which consists of one syllable, is closed but contains a long vowel of two identical characters, one of those will decay in plural form. Though, if this syllable contains a short vowel of just one character, the following consonant will be doubled. Two single-syllable nouns, the first with a short vowel and the second with a long vowel. De bom, de bommen. De boom, de bomen. 1. Het bot, de botten. A short vowel in a closed syllable, always represented by one character, means that in the plural form the following consonant is doubled. 2. De boot, de boten. A long vowel in a closed syllable, always represented by two identical characters, means that in the plural form one vowel will decay, though the pronunciation of the vowel doesn't change. De ram, de rammen. Het raam, de ramen. Het ros, de rossen. De roos, de rozen. The S at the end of a syllable, preceded by a long vowel, will turn into a Z in plural form. It's obvious that a mistake with the consonant might change the meaning of the plural noun totally. Always check and double check. Use a decent dictionary, preferably with your native language as instruction language. If you're not sure about the syllables or the possible plural of a noun, go to www.vandalen.nl and look it up. The site provides information in Dutch about possible plural suffixes and the gender of the noun. In Dutch, en is the common plural suffix for nouns. It's pronounced like e. The n is usually, but not always, mute. Of course, it would be boring if all nouns would have this suffix to create a plural. That's why we use these suffixes as well. S, apostrophe S, urn, urn. The suffix s. Write an s behind the singular noun if the noun ends in unstressed e, el, em, en, or er. Let's take a look at the examples. You see the English translation yourself. De tobbe, de tobbes. De tafel, de tafels. Het modem, de modems. De molen, de molens. De vader, de vaders. The suffix apostrophe s. Write apostrophe s behind the noun if the noun ends in y or in one long vowel, a, I, o, or u, or in Dutch, a, I, o, u. Let's take a look at the examples. De pagina, de pagina's. De taxi, de taxis. De auto, de auto's. De paraplu, de paraplu's. De baby, de babies. Only a few nouns have urn or ure as a plural suffix. See here the most frequently used nouns. Het blad, bladeren. Het ei, eieren. Het kalf, kalveren. Het kind, kinderen. Het lam, lammeren. Het rund, runderen. Well, these were the rules for the Dutch noun plurals. I hope you understand it's impossible to pay attention to all special cases and exceptions regarding the plurals, though these rules will really help you with 95% of all Dutch nouns. Whenever you doubt about the right article, the gender of or the plural suffix for a noun, use a decent dictionary. A decent dictionary is one which provides information about the gender and the plural suffix of a noun. Buy yourself a good dictionary, or visit www.vandalen.nl. This Dutch website contains a dictionary. It provides you the definition of a word in Dutch, though you can easily see which gender, article and plural suffix belong to a noun. This lesson is over now. I would like to thank you for your attention, and I hope you will attend my next lesson as well. Bye bye.